This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Lisa Campbell. Professional photos coming soon. Absolutely gorgeous country setting, 8.71 acres just minutes from Norris Lake, survey on file, 2-bedroom, each with sitting area, 1 bath, living area, kitchen, laundry/mud room, den with wood-burning fireplace, vinyl siding on the exterior, metal roof, approximately 300 square feet of unfinished basement area west/single entry door leading to exterior, covered front and back/side porch, barn on the property. Sit back, relax, and enjoy all that nature has to offer, convenient to I-75, Cove Lake State Park, and area restaurants/shopping. Make this your new beautiful peaceful place to call home. For more